How to buy crypto on Binance. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can buy crypto on Binance. So for that, first of all, you'll have to open your Binance account, and after coming to your Binance app, you'll be able to see that you're redirected to their homepage. So check for this logo at the top left and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see something like this. You'll come to your profile. So within the shortcut section, search for buy crypto. When you click on buy crypto, you'll be redirected to this interface. You can change it from buy crypto to deposit, sell crypto, or withdraw. If you're not redirected directly to the buy crypto, you can just click on it and change in any of it. And now here you have to type the amount in which you want to buy crypto. For example, if I write 8,000, now you can, like, you are paying in PKR. The currency will be written of depending on the account, depending on the country you reside in. Now you can type on this buy that in which crypto you want to buy it. You can either buy in USDT, BTC, ETH, BNB, and etc. But these three are the hot ones, so you can just select any of it. And here you can just write down the bank details, that with which bank you want to buy the crypto with, and after that just click on preview order and just write down your bank details after that, and just click on confirm, and you will be able to buy your crypto. And after some time you'll be able to see that crypto has been deposited in your account. So that is how you can buy crypto on Binance. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.